Hey guy,
Hey Matt.
where do you put a three-legged horse?
Where?
In an unstable.
Terrible. Get off. Get off.
Please welcome Alina with The Voice Within.
Young girl, don't cry. I'll be right here when your world starts to fall. Young girl, it's alright. Your tears will dry. You'll soon be free to fly. Ooh. When you're safe inside your room, you dare to dream of a place where nothing's harder than it seems. No one ever wants or bothers to explain of the heartache life can bring and what it means when there's no one else. Look inside yourself like your oldest friend. Just trust the voice within, then you'll find the strength that will guide your way. You learn to begin to trust the voice within. Hey, oh, young girl, it's alright. You'll never change if you just run away. Young girl, just hold tight, and soon you're gonna see a brighter day. Hey, oh, in a world where innocence is quickly claimed, it's so hard to stand your ground when you're so afraid. No one reaches out a hand for you to hold. When you're lost outside, look inside to your soul. When there's no one else, look inside yourself like your oldest friend. Just trust the voice within you, then you'll find the strength that will guide your way. You will learn to begin to trust the voice within. Young girl,